Grasslands National Park is a Canadian national park located near the village of Val-Marie, Saskatchewan. This national park is north from the American state of Montana and lies adjacent to the international boundary. The Ecotour Scenic Drive features stunning landscapes, rich history, and active conservation. This 20 km self-guided driving tour through the Frenchman River Valley in the park's west block usually takes about 2 hours. Prairie dogs are herbivorous burrowing rodents native to the grasslands of North America. The 5 species are black-tailed, white-tailed, Gunnessens, Utah, and Mexican prairie dogs. They are a type of ground squirrel, found in North America. Grasslands National Park and area is the only place in the country where prairie dogs still exist in their natural habitat. Here, they are at the most northern extent of the range. Their population numbers North America-wide decline dramatically due to disease and habitat loss. Less than 3% of the historic continental population of black-tailed prairie dogs still exists, and Canada has listed them as a species of special concern. Observe the fascinating town these jovial little creatures have constructed. Mounds of dirt mark the entrances to the dogs' homes, where they spend much of their time renovating, mating, nesting, sleeping, or simply seeking refuge from the elements. When above ground, they spend half of the time watching for predators, and the other half of the time eating succulent grasses and forbs, keeping them mowed to a nice height. This way they can see if a predator is coming. Do you hear that high-pitched barking sound? That is one or more prairie dogs letting the others know that danger, you or another animal, is nearby. The park was established in 1981. Prior to this, the province's only national park was Prince Albert National Park. Grasslands National Park represents the prairie grasslands natural region, protecting one of the nation's few remaining areas of undisturbed dry mixed grass/shortgrass prairie grassland. The park is located in the World Wildlife Fund-defined Northern Short Grasslands ecoregion, which spans much of southern Saskatchewan, southern Alberta, and the northern Great Plains states in the USA. The unique landscape and harsh, semi-arid climate provide niches for several adapted plants and animals. Plains bison were reintroduced to Grasslands National Park in December 2005, after 120 years of absence. In 2005, after consultation with stakeholders, neighbors and specialists, Grasslands National Park welcomed plains bison back to their home.
肯定都能订上，要钱不要钱？
估计不需要订。
旗是啥东西？